Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. So today's video I am going to try the Bellavena mini gel tip kit. So this is their mini version jelly tips. So they sent me this to try. I do have the other jelly tips also from them, but I am going to try this since this is a new product, and they also sent me 3 colors of tip powders, so I am also going to use these colors. So I really love it. It's perfect for the fall, so I am excited to try those ones. So I do have the other jelly tips that also from Bellavena. So I tried this already before, and I do have a video for this. I'll be putting it in the cards and in the description box, but this is how it looks like. It has a container. So for the kit, I don't think that it will be on a container because it is in this small box, but at the back it has all the instructions that you need to know. So I just went ahead and removed that plastic packaging. So I am just going to open this, and this is how it looks like. So again, it is not in a container, but the first thing that I saw is this liquid. So this is their 4-in-1 base coat. So this will serve as a base coat, and this is also will be your glue, adhesive glue for the tips. And here are the jelly tips. They are packaged individually in these small ziplocs. So the sizing are those numbers, and it also have those user manuals and some informations that you need to know. And it also have this rhinestone and UV LED nail lamp. So this nail lamp is actually super nice. I love these kinds of nail lamp when you do your jelly tips, because you can hold your hand and then cure it in the lamp. So I really love this lamp. I really appreciate that this kit has lamp already, so you don't have to worry about having lamp. So it does have a 3 bulb in here, and yeah, this is the rhinestone that I mentioned a while ago. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that is included in this mini gel kit. So yeah, I am going to try this. So I'll be applying this on my nails because I already removed my super old jelly tips that I just put builder gel whenever I need to fill. So these are my nails now. So I already cut also my natural nails so that they are super small. And yeah, let's begin the application. So first I am going to apply alcohol and dehydrate my nails, and of course to sanitize it. So again, the only liquid that is included in the kit is the 4-in-1 base coat, but I'll be using these liquids also from Bellavena. I'll be using their protein bond and adhesive primer to further prep my nails. So first I'll be applying protein bond, then afterwards I'll be applying the adhesive primer. So I already picked my sizes. So when you choose your size, make sure that it fits the side walls of your nails. So it should look like this. So now I am going to apply the 4-in-1 base coat, and I'll be using the lamp as well. So I forgot to mention, guys, but this kit retails for $39.99, which is pretty awesome because you'll be getting almost all the things that you need to apply the jelly tips. So I highly recommend getting this one. So after that, I am going to cure in the lamp. So it has a button in the bottom, and you just need to press that and it will light. So I think the time for this is 60 seconds. I am not really sure, but I think it's 60 seconds. So now for the tips, you just have to rough the inside part or use a drill. So I did that already and wipe the excess dust. And now let's apply again the 4-in-1 base coat, so that will serve as the adhesive or the glue. So this base coat is actually a multi-purpose liquid. You can use this as base coat, you can use this as the glue for the jelly tips, and you can also use this as a sleep solution, I think, for polygel, but I haven't tried that yet. So I cured that in the lamp, and this is how it looks like. I do have some extra glue on my cuticle area, but I will be repairing that later when I file. I think the jelly tips from this kit and the one that I showed you a while ago is just the same. It's just that the other kit has a size and shape variety. Unlike this kit, you will only be getting one size. So I already did the rest of my nails off cam to save some time, but this is how it looks like. The process of applying is just the same. So for those excess glues on my cuticle area, I am going to show you how. So you can use a hand file to file those excess ones, or you can use also your e-file, and I'll be using this bit to clean the cuticle area. So I'm just going to do this and remove those excess glue. So this is after I filed and trimmed the length, because I go to the gym every day and I'm afraid to break a nail. So I just made it shorter this time. So after that, I wash my hands and I'll be applying peel base. So I'm going to apply one full coat. This is after I applied peel base. You can skip peel base if you want your nails to last longer. So the first color that I'll be using is Nude. I'll be applying this on my pointer and thumb, and we'll be doing 2 to 3 layers. So this is after I applied 3 layers for the nude, and moving on to the next color. This one is called Apple Crisp. So I really love this color. It is so gorgeous. So I'll be applying this on my ring and pinky finger. So Apple Crisp is really pigmented, so I just used 2 full coats. So now I am going to use Copper Paradise. So this is going to be my glitter on my middle finger. So I'm done applying the colors. I'll be applying clear on top so that it will protect my colors, and this is after I did that. And I am going to activate using the double dip activator. So I'll just file and shape my nails off cam, and this is after I did that. So now I am going to do some simple stamping on my pointer and thumb. So I'll be using this plate from MANITUDE, and the black polish is from Triple E. And after that, I am going to paint the pumpkins, and I'll be using these stamping polishes from MANIOLOGY. So here are the shade names. So I already applied sticky base coat to where I'll be stamping the image. So I waited for about 40 seconds before I stamp. And after that, this is how it looks like. It is really super cute. I really love it. So now I am going to stamp another pumpkin on my pointer finger. So I'll be using again the same polish, and I'll be putting some glitters inside the pumpkin. So I'll be applying smudge-free top coat first. This is from MANIOLOGY also, so that when I apply my top coat later, it won't smudge my design, because the last time that I did stamping, I just applied the matte top coat immediately and it kinda smudged my image a little bit. So I will protect my stamp image with this smudge-free top coat. So you just have to air dry this for a couple of minutes and make sure that it is fully dried. And after that, I am going to apply gel top coat. So I'm going to apply that on this nail. And then I'll be using the glitters from the Copper Paradise dip that I used a while ago. And I'm just going to put that inside the pumpkin. So this is how it looks like, and then I am going to flash cure it in the lamp for about 10 to 15 seconds. So I'll be applying also the shiny top coat on my glitters, and the rest of my nails will be matte. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I really love this manicure. The colors are stunning. So yeah, I am just going to apply first cuticle oil, and we are almost done. And this is the finished look. I really love how this mani turned out. Honestly, it is really super nice in my opinion. But yeah, I really love the stamping. It is also super cute. So I'll be putting all the links of the products that I use in the description box. So make sure to check them out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!